Assalamualaikum students, this is grammar class 6. In today's lecture we will learn how to write story in English. First of all, I'll tell you the story definition. A story is a description of imaginary people and events which is written or told in order to maintain. Story is not a new thing. You know that we are reading from the very early classes. Story was the custom of old days and it is full of moral lesson. Before writing story, we will see some important steps to write it. First of all, kinds of stories. I'll tell you the kinds of story. Comic story, the first kind is comic story, and second kind is moral story, and third kind is suspensive story, fourth and last one is horror story. Comic story, I'll tell you what is the comic story. If you describe something as comic, you mean that it makes you laugh, and it often intended to make you laugh. The novel is comic. Novel and story can be comic and tragic. A comic is a magazine that contains stories told in pictures. It is series of pictures which is drawn in black or white color. It can be colorful or black. Moral story. Moral story is full of moral lesson for you, and it is very useful story, kind of very useful story. Suspensive story, I'll tell you the suspensive story. Suspense is a state of mental uncertainty, anxiety of being undecided things, of being anticipation of the outcome of a plot, of the solution to an uncertainty. So this is suspensive story. We don't know the events. It creates suspense in us while reading, and very popular kind of story among the people. Horror story. Horror story, a story in which the focus is on creating a feeling of fear. Such tales are of ancient organs and form a substantial part of body of folk literature. They can feature supernatural elements such as ghosts, witches, or many more things which we don't know. It creates horror while reading it. Next part of story. Parts of story, there are three main parts of the story. First one is introduction. In introduction we introduce the character of the story and the description of the story. In body, this body is in very detail and it is full of events. It should be very interesting. And last one is conclusion. In the last step we have moral lesson also. Conclusion, it is conclude the whole story, means introduction and body, and this is the last, a very important step of the story. Next, we will learn how to write story. We'll see how we can create a story. I have written for you some headings. With the help of structure, we can write a story with the help of structure. Second, with the help of title. Sometimes a title is given us to create a story on the title. And third one is with the help of moral lesson. Sometimes it happens that we have a moral lesson and we have to create a story on this moral lesson. Fourth one, with the help of picture. If we have a picture, so we can create a story on the picture. Last one, with the help of proverbs. Proverbs basically are a quotation which we follow in our story, and we have to fulfill the requirements of the proverb while creating story. Important points. While writing stories, we should keep in mind these important points. First point, it should have a clear and well planned plot is a full of events, and here can be characters and different events of the story. Second, the events should follow in natural order, means it should have a proper harmony between first and second event, and furthermore. Third one, it should be in simple English. Your English should be very simple because a reader can understand it well. Fourth one, dialogues should be impressive. You can use very impressive dialogues to make your story more good. and worded as naturally as possible. Means you will use natural words and impressive dialogues to make your story more interesting. Fifth one, it should always be in the past tense. While writing story, we never use present tense, future tense, we only use past tense. So this is very basic and important point for you. Whenever you are writing story, you must keep in your mind you will use only past tense. Next, there should not be grammatical mistakes. While writing story, must avoid grammatical mistakes, because this mistakes make your story bad. It will be bad impression on your story if you have grammatical mistakes. Seventh one, it should have some suspense for the readers. Means suspense makes a story more good and more impressive, and it is very interesting if you create suspense while first event, in the second event, in the last event. Furthermore, how as events you as many events, so to create suspense is a very good. Last one, practice makes a man perfect. This is proverb holds good in the case of story writing too. You can practice more and more time to make your story more good, impressive and interesting. So students, in today's lecture we learned how to create a story. I told you the meaning of the story. We learned the definition of the story, kinds of story, parts of story. Then I told you the important points for writing story. So students, keep in your mind and practice as much as you can to create a story. Okay, Allah Hafiz.